Hello students, I am Suyukta in front of you and today I am teaching you mathematics and the topic is basic of trigonometry. The trigonometry is based on the relationship between angles and sides. In the trigonometry, we teach the relationship between sides and angles. There are there are three primary There are three primary functions in trigonometry. What is function? Function is the ratio of two sides and the angle. What is function? Function is the ratio of two sides and the angle. The three primary functions is sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, now we talk to about the functions. Let's we have a triangle A B C and the angle A is the right angle and we have another angle is B. Then the front of angle is called opposite and in this triangle the triangle is A B C. Then the sides BC is hypotenuse and the side is AB is adjacent. In the triangle there are three sides named. The AB side is adjacent and the side of front in angle is opposite and the longest side is called hypotenuse. Then the relationship between the functions is called trigonometric function. Now we talk about angles. In the triangle ABC, the B is the angle and the three sides is AB, BC and AC. In this angle, AB is adjacent and BC is hypotenuse and AC is also opposite. And the trigonometric function sine theta. Sine theta is a function that is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. And the cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. And the last one is tan theta, and tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Clear? There are three primary functions of trigonometry: sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. The sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. And then we talk about sides. Here we know that sin theta is equal to opposite. What is opposite? AC. AC upon hypotenuse BC. And sin theta is equal to AC upon BC. And cos theta is also is equal to AB, adjacent AB, and the hypotenuse BC. And tan theta is also equal to the opposites upon the adjacent. The opposite is equal to AC and the adjacent is equal to AB. Then these are the three primary functions of trigonometry. Okay guys, thank you.